there, little brainiacs. Welcome to Kool Kreative Mingle. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and join our community.
In the quaint village of Pawsdom, nestled at the foot of towering emerald hills, lived a young pup by the name of Finn. With his soft, golden fur and boundless curiosity, Finn was ever the adventurer. Much to the amusement of the villagers who looked on fondly as he darted across fields, chasing butterflies and dashing through streams. One sun-drenched morning, as the first golden rays heralded a new day, a mysterious buzzing sound emanated from the heart of the whispering forest, a place known for its ancient trees and magical aura. The forest had always held a mystical charm, its sprawling roots and towering branches rumored to be home to magical creatures and occasional clandestine gatherings. That day, a peculiar feeling washed over Finn. The buzzing seemed to call to him, pulling at his adventurous spirit. Fueled by the thrill of the unknown, Finn decided to explore the source of this mysterious sound. With a quick wag of his tail and a bark filled with excitement, he bounded into the forest. The deeper Finn ventured, the more the world around him seemed to transform. The trees whispered secrets as their branches swayed gently, guiding him deeper into their realm. It was as if the very forest itself was alive, acknowledging Finn's presence. Through the myriad of scents and sounds, one thing was clear: Finn was meant to be here. As he approached the central glade of the forest, the buzzing crescendoed, and there, gleaming amidst a circle of luminescent mushrooms, was the ancient guardian bee, Aloysius, known for his wisdom and revered across the land. Aloysius, with his miraculous wings and radiant aura, had kept watch over the harmony between the natural world and its mystical inhabitants. "Welcome, Finn," Aloysius buzzed, his voice warm and kind. "You have arrived at a pivotal time. The realm is in need of a hero, and I believe you are the one destined to fulfill this role." Finn's heart raced with a mix of exhilaration and a twinge of fear. He was merely a pup, after all. But the forest had chosen him, and in that moment, as the golden sun dappled through the leaves around him, Finn resolved to answer the call. Aloysius explained the pressing matter. A shadow was creeping across the land of endless adventures, a shadow that threatened to envelop its wonders and joy in eternal gloom. The culprit, a once friendly but now embittered sorcerer named Malchor, had let jealousy turn his heart dark. Having lost sight of kindness, Malchor sought to claim all of the realm's magic for himself. Determined, Finn embarked on his quest, guided by Aloysius's wisdom and the courage he found within himself. Through dense forests and treacherous paths, across babbling brooks and sprawling meadows, Finn raced to gather allies and charm the hearts of those he met. He befriended Luna, the wise owl, whose vast knowledge of ancient spells and history would prove invaluable. He sought assistance from Ember, the fiery fox with a quick wit and an even quicker foot, able to sniff out trouble long before it arrived.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to stay updated on all my latest videos. Thanks for being part of our community.